Hi, welcome to our channel TestMaster series. Today we will be discussing on linear search algorithm, its application, its implementation and time complexity. Before starting, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Linear search algorithm is also called as sequential algorithm. In a linear search algorithm, this is a very easy way of searching things from an array. Say you have total 12 array elements, and from those array elements you have to search for the value 54. In linear search, the arrays not necessarily be in a sorted order. They can be in a sorted order, they can be in a unsorted order. Over here I have taken a sorted array. You can take an unsorted array as well. The element to be searched is 54. In linear search, the element will be matched with every index value. Say the value 54 is being matched with index value of 0. If it is found, fine. If it is not found, then it will be moving to the next index position. So it will be mapped with value 12, then it will be mapped with value 15, then it will be mapped with value 26, then with 32, then it will be matched with 44, then it will be matched with 50, and then it will be matched with 54, which is eventually our key element, and we can say that there we have found the element. So what we will do, we will return the index value of this particular array, that is 7. So at 7th location we have found the linear search algorithm. Now the time complexity of this particular search will be order of n. Why it is order of n? Because see, if the element or the key element to be found or supposed to be 96 instead of 54, then I have to search for 0 to 12 every element each and every time. I have to compare the value with every element which is there in the array. That's why it is having a time complexity of order of n. Let's code linear search. Okay, let's start the coding. First thing first, hash include stdio.h main. Now first thing what we need to do, we need to take the array int a. I am taking a predefined array. You can take the array as per your will. You can take it in the runtime, you can take it in the compile time as well. Compile time means you have to define it at the time of declaring it, or initialization. So let me take the values 10. So as I told, it may or may not be in a sorted order. So I will take it in a very random order. Now let me look for the value or the element to be searched is, say I want to search for 2. Okay, so what is the amount of value I am number of values I am having? So 7 values I am having. Now to compare, before going into the actual loop, what I need to do, I need to have a flag. I'll tell you why I need a flag in the later portions. Now we'll be using just a simple for loop. For I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, let me have a indentation. It's not mandatory, but let me put it so that it's very easy to understand. If key equals to a of I, then it's a very good practice to put braces while programming. You may use it, you may not require it, or you may be getting a proper output if you don't do it, but it is a good practice. So if k key is found, we will be incrementing the value of flag by 1, and we will be putting a break so that the loop breaks and we do not go on unwanted checkings. Now if flag equals to 1, let me store the index into a separate variable. Element found at location, else element not found. Okay, let's run the code. So element found at number 3. Now let me show you what happens if I do not put a flag. So let me comment this section. Okay, so I will be, obvious reasons, if I am not having the flag, then this block of code will not be existing. Okay, now in the if part, what I'll be doing, I'll be having maybe a commented portion. Let me put some comments in. Found at location will not be there, I suppose, and let me put the else part, something like this. So the else part will be triggered when the element is not found, because the element may not be present in your list at all, and the if part will be triggered when the element is found. Now this is the case where we are not using flag. So this is the output where we got while using the flag. Now let us see what will be the output if we are not using flag. Now see, element not found, element not found, element not found, element found at number 3 means the 10 has been mapped with 2, matched with 2, did not match, so the else part triggered. 5 matched with 2, else part triggered. 1 matched with 2, else part triggered. 2 matched with 2, then the if part triggered. Now this is a very annoying output. So to make our output in a much more readable and suitable and crystal clear format, we have decided to put the flag. Yeah, found. Now it's fine. Okay, so after checking it, so that is the difference we will be getting if we are not using flag and if we are using flag. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. If you want to know more about the linear search, please visit our website Let's Master CS. I'll be putting the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.